dia.
C'est bien quoi. Babu pink cho lo bicin atau boleh letar al tengah cu angal tengah cu school fam napia है माँ layak fam kat tarai mau anu tu anu mah apa ni dah sekarang apa ni Hey, what?
What is the mic?
This is the TV one.
Is it?
TV.
Is it connected? Is it connected?
No, it's connected to your phone.
This one? Is it? Look, it's not connected.
It's disconnected.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Then put it on here.
Huh? No, I need money so I can buy something.
I think it's too long. You know, this is heating.
Well, maybe you should buy the mic mini. Oh, I need some money. So I can...
Huh? Did they sell anything?
They sell super good. What?
Map clap like.
I want to buy it.
Huh?
I want it.
Yeah, we'll go together.
No, by
Huh?
myself.
Somewhere no matter what.
Why?
Because no, you can't. Let's go together.
Why?
I'll buy you. Focus.
I don't want it to.
No.
Why are you live streaming? Do this
Not
way.
like that. That is better.
How is this better? What live stream?
Yeah, you need to learn.
Is this YouTube?
Yeah. Let's go.
Oh no, I'm not showing that suck.
Show everybody.
Hey, you on YouTube live stream? Yeah, suck. You on YouTube? Hey, I'm not catching you on the camera. Oh,
Look.
Ruth, no one cares.
Ah.
I'm just joking.
Hello, Ruth.
Why?
Ruth.
She doesn't care. Oh, it's so bad. That's a lie. Breaking in the booth is a lie. Like to beat you up. I'm taking the change. People are not gonna like this.
LMP monkey.
I ain't.
LMP mom dia tu dia. Tak take my. See? So let's visit other people. Oh, this is IZEP. Let's go there. Choti jump.
It's not focusing. I am showing. It's not showing on the camera. Wait.
Show IZEP people.
Okay.
Make it. Let's go to IZEP.
Bro,
This one.
no one cares, mate. Bro, you're
This
so
one,
awkward.
this one. So, wait.
Hey, get out of here, mate.
IZEP car. Okay, just show them. This is IZEP International Zopay Education Program Office. Look, this one, show that. Okay, yeah. So, show them the people.
I don't think they care. I don't think they're.
No, that doesn't matter. So they're selling, see? So, Cesar, can you say something for IZEP? Show them.
Bracelets.
Yeah.
Men, we even have necklace.
I show them.
Games, guess the pen. And then we're selling some bucket hats over there. Come to our
So,
store.
whoa. Talk to her.
Why? I ain't talking.
Look at that makeup.
There's nothing different.
Get
I don't
closer,
see.
get closer.
I don't see any different.
Rosie is very good. Papa?
No, please, no. No, I'm not getting paid. No, I don't know. I'm not
You
spending.
need to get paid. I'll do for you.
No, I'm not getting my face paid.
Huh? Do it. I'll pay for you.
Huh?
Let's see. Do it.
You don't think this is pretty? Look.
Yeah, Jonas, you can do it.
No,
I'll pay for you.
We can do like a masculine.
Okay. How much you charge for this, Nurozi? $5.
We
Let's
can
see.
do L and then T.
Let's see.
Do you want longer?
Yeah. Can you show the little bit? Wow.
Well, can you show them?
Pom. Okay. Anybody who wants to paint like Pom?
Only $5.
Only $5. Johanna, you want to get paint? Okay. Is it a painter 怎么?
That's a painter.
Oh, you're the painter.
I'm the artist.
Okay.
That's why my work costs $5.
Oh. How much you make so far?
So far, I would say mine. So far, maybe $10.
I got $5 sponsor if you want someone to be sponsor.
Oh, okay. Does
Yeah.
anyone want to be sponsored? There's a $5 sponsor.
Are you sure? Okay. I'm going to sponsor Xiang. Yeah? Yeah. I'll pay for you and then I'll come back to see. So, people go hello. That's okay. Alright. So. Rosie จะเทียมโลมีไงโลเอมันเฮะเทียมดิฉันน้ำมันตาครบเปียกตัวค่อยอันดูตุค่อยติดตัวน้ำมันตาค่ะlet's see Azi oh Johanna got another one wow yours is better Johanna you want to get paint
You want to get paid?
just do 1 star just we support them if you do it just do it
Are you getting? Yeah, you should. Come on.
yeah this is the people who are not educated we are supporting them if you paint yourself look if you paint yourself you donate $5 I pay for you
I have $1 left.
Thank you. That's
Mm.
Should I come?
Are you not doing it? Yeah,
Yeah, you'll be paid.
I'll pay $5.
Paid it. Just come.
What would you put?
Yeah, just one like what color do you want?
What color?
Yeah,
What color and what style do you want? I have so many. I have gold. I have.
just one star on your cheek.
1 star.
Okay, do it.
Only want one star.
Yeah.
You should get LT.
Mm.
LT. Okay.
Okay, good. Johanna is going to paint himself, which is good. So record yourself.
Myself.
Yeah, I'll record you. Don't worry. So which color do you want? I think one star on here will be good.
Oh, look, check if it's good.
Yeah, I'll record for you. Yeah, I'll put here. Okay. Joanna is record belum record. So yeah, Joanna is going to paint and to donate $5 for IZEP. Yeah. So if you do now, that means no, you can put your hair. Yeah, because your hair is very messy. Okay. Did you choose the color yet, Johanna? Huh? Okay, now we got a very good recording here.
Ah, wait. Give it to you.
It's okay. I think, Johanna, what is your favorite color?
One big star. I'm gonna give
Is
you
it a big one?
Big star.
So don't touch, you can't touch. So, yeah. And Anusung is painting too. So you're donating $5, Johanna, you're a good boy. Yeah, I will do for you. Let's see. Johanna, so far so good. So far so good. You see? What? Okay, oh, that's a yellow color. Wow. Uh-huh. Don't move, Johanna. If you move. Wow, Johanna, it looks so good on you, man. Yeah. Yeah, I can show you later on. Wow. What?
Wow. Jana, you look so
Oh.
good now.
Johanna, wow. Uh-huh. You happy? Don't touch it before it dries. You're not touching it. I think. Yeah. You want long line LT? Yeah, under that LT. Yeah, LT. Oh. What? Get it closer. And this is sometimes you need to do it too. I think on your face it will look really good.
Hey, I'm doing it.
Yeah. What color are you going to choose? Huh?
That's an experiment.
Oh, what? Colors after colors. And Mali is my boss here. Hey, Mali, come here. No. Don't run away.
Oh my God, long time. You was
Wow. Let's see. Jana, can you show me your face, please? Let's see.
Wow.
Wait. No, show me again. Show me again. Where are you? I could not find you anymore. You are lost. Okay, that's LT means long time. So the other side, the star. The star. Wow. Oh, wait. Wow, it's good. Look, it's so good on you. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I need to pay now. Pay time. Pay time. Okay. Nuestra, what are you doing? Tell me. Hello. Okay. How much you're going to pay? Come closer. We'll have a look. So Esther is Kabung. She's going to have. You're going to compete for. What? Yeah. Wow. Nice. Really nice on you. Yeah. She's. Jonah. So,
Thank you so much, Jana. You look so good. Now you go show it off to people.
Yeah.
I mean, no one cares.
Yeah.
No, you said
Ever?
I'm long-time rep.
So let's.
Ooh, this is my style.
Oh, are you going to? Don't shake too much, Johanna. Let's see. Isaac till enjoy me. Hey, name take ma. Okay. Nó quên thêm. Giờ nên zoom đi cho giờ adong ngân ngay này. Anh ra tới lại. Đây hệ ở về Australia premis winner asi. Tu cho về ama ni hin leader tu thằng này. Kan phải kan nào lên ha training back thằng ha. Until so Isaac and see he got and logos international education program and say Minonian join her. Okay, let's go.
Hope I don't see that run into that girl again.
Huh? What?
Oh, you want to take a video of that girl from MCC?
Yeah?
I don't know where she is. I saw her. She just keep
No.
again.
Wait.
Look.
Where is it?
Me.
Where?
I'm local.
Oh, don't touch it.
My hair.
Okay, let's go this one. Oh no. Hey, it's this one is for. Hello. Do you enjoy? Yes. What's your name? Ngalang. Oh, Stanley. Yeah, Ngalang. Are you playing anything? Oh,
Nah,
this
you
is
just
Ngalang
supporting. You
uniform.
just supporting. Okay. Okay, no.
Where?
Yeah, we gotta go here
Where?
to see the view.
Oh.
Oh, let's go to the volleyball.
We go there. 吃汉堡包。
有细菌呢。
王瑞，happy 吗？你不 happy 什么？你不 happy 什么？哦，OK。
Continue with your life.
Wait. Yeah. I think my phone is like we need to push up a little bit. I keep touching, you know? Wait, it doesn't work. Wait.
What do you mean it doesn't work? Just leave it.
Right.
Don't take a video of the girls. That's just weird.
Can you hold for me a little bit? We need to push up a little bit. Hold on for me. Because it's not level. I don't know why.